Guys, thank you for watching. So in today's video, I will show you how to get this cut crease glittery red eye look. So if you aren't interested, then please keep watching. So now I'm going to show you how to get this on this eye. So you're first just going to take your concealer, and I always go a little bit above my natural crease, but I'm just going to keep a firm hand and then draw that all the way across. Get a little bit more concealer and then just kind of fill that in. And just kind of blend that out just a little bit. Now you can always start it right at your natural crease line, but for this look, because these lashes are a little bit on the longer side, I'm going to draw it out just a little bit, kind of elongate my eye. Just make sure that that's even. And then I'm going to go in with my Stila Cosmetics liquid eyeshadow in the shade Kitten. And I'm just going to go all over that crease with this glitter shadow. Or not crease, but all over that concealer. And we're just going to let that dry a little. And then just to kind of buff it in with the remainder of the eye, I'm going to take that kind of smoky orange shade, and I'm just going to apply this all along the edge of that glitter. I'm going to do that a little bit more on this eye as well. Just to make sure that that transition is really smooth from the glitter into the dark color. Just like that. And I'm going to go in with my eyeliner and then just line my eye. I'm excited to do my face makeup. I'm in need of a new eyeliner. I hate it. But I do love this eyeliner. Okay, and then the lashes that I'll be using are amazing. It's from the Kiss products. These are Brassiere. Man, quality. And I'm just going to get these off, kind of clip the edges off, and glue them on. Get all ready with that. These lashes actually do come with their own lash glue, but I just prefer to use the lash glue that I'm used to using, which I actually do believe is a Kiss lash glue as well. Yeah, it's the Strip Lash adhesive with the aloe. So it's supposed to be for more sensitive eyes, which I definitely have, just because I do have a little bit of an allergy to adhesive, and so when using eyelash glue, sometimes it makes my eyes a little irritated. So I definitely like these ones that seem to be for the more sensitive eyes. Just put those on and then just maneuver them around until they're pretty much fully adhered. With these big lashes, sometimes they definitely have a little bit more pliability to them, as you can see. Take a little while to fully set. Just make sure that they're well glued on. This is the fun part with eye look sometimes. I'm like all like really talking good about this eyelash glue, and then I'm like, the struggle. So after I finally get these on, I'm going to just go in and do my face makeup, and then should be all good to go. Alright, so that is the completed eye look, but I will see you guys back when my whole makeup is done.